Hey cooks, we have a couple Temp-tations items to unbox today. I've got a few of these over the past couple months, and I've sort of been keeping them on the side so we can unbox them all at once. So we have what I collect as Floral Lace Eggplant, and we have an oval baker, and we have some tart pans, and I'm ready to get these babies out of the box. So let's unbox some Temp-tations. More Temp-tations, yeah, right? So this is a regular, I believe it's an oval baker with a lid. And I have these things on here so I don't scratch my stove in the process. These are tart pans, and these are as is. I don't 100% know the process that they have as is. What I'm thinking is, but just based on how they're packaged, they're basically returned. So if someone gets something and they return it for whatever reason, then it becomes an as is. And I think some of them are as is that are shuffled around. So if someone gets a set and there's a couple pieces broken and they ship it back, because they've sold like 10,000 of them, they could get quite a few back because of shipping issues or whatever stuff gets broken. So if a couple pieces are broken, they can assemble all those back together as sets, package them, and sell them as is. I'm not 100% sure that that's what happens, but I would imagine that probably does, because if I owned a company and I shipped out thousands and thousands and I got 200 back with one broken piece, you can jumble sets back together of all good pieces. So if that's the case, these might have been inspected when they do that. So that makes it nice. So here is our first one. This is my favorite thing to do, right? Let's see what we got for an as is. So this item may be a customer return, vendor sample, discontinued inventory, or on-air display, and may not be new. In some instances, these items are repackaged by QVC, which goes to my theory of if a part of boxes and boxes of set have been broken in shipping and they come back, why not bundle those suckers back together into complete sets and sell them, right? The variety of reasons the item is not in its originally manufactured container, right? So here we go. Woo! I have this feeling I'm going to get this packaging stuff all over the place. I'm trying to avoid that. I don't want such a big sweeping job after this. And let's see. So of course it comes with a storage cover, and that looks pretty good. And what this is it's a tart pan, and it is in my eggplant color. Ooh, look at that. This was pretty cheap. The only thing I can see with it right here, there are a couple little splotches of paint right here. That might be why it was returned. I paid, these were really cheap, so I'm fine with that, right? It also comes with its own lid. This is pretty cool. So you can bake it like this, right? I did a long time ago, I did a asparagus and red pepper tart in something similar to this. I'll put a link down in the description. But I thought this would be really good to make like quiches and stuff. Plus, you could just use this piece for serving. So I really like that. And this doesn't seem like it really has any issues. It's just that little tiny thing right here. So awesome. So that's one tart pan. And this is the same thing. So we will check out how this is on the as is. I think I only paid like 10, 12 bucks for these things. So here's our lid, and everything looks pretty good with that. And our second dish, nice. This one looks pretty much like there's nothing wrong with it. And the top, sweet, nice. So I think I got a great deal on these as-is pieces. Like I said, I don't know if maybe they were previously shipped to somebody and they returned them for whatever reason. Maybe got the wrong color. Maybe they had one of the pieces was broken, so they repackaged them. But I think this is going to be great for Christmas. Even just using this for serving. You can use it for bread. You can use it for all kinds of stuff. So looking forward to that. So now we'll get our baker out of here. Woohoo! Okay, it usually comes with one of these. It tells you how to care for it and how to use it. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so first up we have our plastic cover. We have our baker, and this is an oval baker. Nice. Doesn't look like it has any major flaws to it. So this is the Floral Lace Eggplant color. It's really cool because it's sort of, you know, all dark on the outside with white in the engraving and then light on the inside with the same pattern but in the eggplant color. And of course this comes with a lid. It's something you can bake on here as a cover, you can bake on there itself, or you can use it for serving. So that's pretty cool. So there is our oval baker. And you can also just use this as kind of a hot pad for it, just like that. And it has the storage cover that goes on there. Sweet. So we have a couple new Temp-tations pieces. I'm planning after the first of the year to do a full-on Temp-tations tablescape. So stay tuned for that. It's going to be a lot of fun. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like, and visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. And also come visit me on Facebook at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. packaged, and maybe I'm not packled.